Obviously, anybody going along to a dentist is anxious about the procedure, but it was thoroughly explained to me. I took the option to be, well, I had a pre-med and was actually put to sleep, so my memory of the procedure is not there. But it was the options were discussed with me beforehand. Everything was explained so thoroughly that it never really caused me any problems at all. Again, I was just very reassured. I think if you trust somebody and you feel in safe hands, then you don't have problems. When I had the implant, I was very impressed by the aftercare, Nigel offering his telephone number and checking that everything was okay, and if I wanted any medication, it was so straightforward and so simple that it really didn't seem like a procedure at all. I've got no regrets at all. They feel very much like my own teeth. I can eat a range of foods without any problems whatsoever, and I think more importantly, I'm not anxious about biting anything. So whether it's something hard, it is literally like having your own teeth. They look the same, they feel the same. Like your teeth are important. It makes the difference to how you feel within yourself. They're not in the place or in a place where people would particularly notice, but I'm aware that they're there. I didn't want to have gaps in my teeth. That was important to me. It's, for me, the way I sort of look at it is like buying a car. I could buy something that kept on breaking down, I'd have to take back to the garage and have repaired all the time, but I didn't want that. And the option that I had, which was, like I said, was explained to me, means that I don't have to keep on going back. It's a permanent solution. And it's fine, it's in really good condition and it's likely to remain that way, so it's something I'm totally satisfied with. I'd recommend Nigel for a variety of reasons. Firstly, I think, just as I said before, really, in terms of his interpersonal skills, he's a good communicator. He comes over as very honest and trustworthy. He is reliable. Because he's reliable, you know where you are with him. Yeah. He's always available and accessible to you. What I like too is what I think is important too is the quality of his work. As I said, I went back in relation to other dental work since that I've had with Nigel, and he's got an attention to detail. Yeah, he's got a great deal of patience. He will take as much time as needed to make sure that it feels absolutely right, and that you can't beat, really. Nothing's rough, nothing feels uncomfortable. It's not rushed, you know. And I can sometimes go back in relation to, say, a crown that I was having fitted, and I go back on a fortnightly basis, and just because it doesn't feel quite right. Now, you do feel comfortable and safe with somebody who is that thorough. Yeah, and as I said, combine that with his manner and the way that he is, and really you go a long way to find somebody who's good. I think when you go to Smiles Better, essentially what you get is you get the complete package. You get good first service, you get good aftercare, you get personal service, very reasonably priced, and I've already actually recommended my aunt, and she's visiting on Wednesday.